Hello students, hope all of you are fine and read the chapter. So students, in my previous video I discussed the chapter and gave you summary of the chapter for the love of trees, right? Now in this video students, first I'll give you notebook guidelines that how you will maintain your notebooks, and then we'll discuss question answers of this chapter, right? So the color of your English notebook is peacock green, right? And when we start doing any work in a notebook, the first thing is first we should cover it. So you will cover your notebook with the plastic cover, students. You will not use brown cover. Those who are old students, they know it, but new students, there are some basic instructions which you need to follow to maintain your notebook, right? And there will be a notebook of peacock color, peacock green color, which you will use for English. And along with that, let's discuss the steps that how you will maintain your notebook, right? So students, when we begin notebook, we begin with first thing is index. You have to fill all the details in your index once you start doing the chapter, right? The first major step is to fill index. You will fill your uh, serial number, chapter name, and along with that page number, right? Now second thing which you'll do is when you'll open the fresh page, you will mention the date and page number. First step. Then you'll mention unit 1. Suppose if we are doing for the love of trees, so you will mention it this way: unit 1, nature's bounty, right, in bracket, section A, for the love of trees, right? So you will do it this way. And for the chapter, first you will do word meanings which are in your book. You can see it, they are pink in colors given in your book, right? So this world wealth you have to do, and word and meanings, right? It should be your notebook should be maintained in neat handwriting. It should be in a single, it should be proper in lines, right? Don't try to do that one word is going there, another is there. There should be a proper line system, should be maintained. Suppose if it is first word 4C in your book, so you will write under the word and meaning will go under the meaning section. If you feel it is very difficult to maintain the system, so just use scale to separate these two. Now first letter of word will be capital, students, right? For C. For meaning, you don't need to write first letter capital and you will write the meaning. Same way you will write all the word meanings, right? And suppose if we want to do question answers, so same way on the fresh page, once you will be done with the word meanings, you will give this unit and section, mention date and page number, and then you will begin doing questions. Now let's discuss question answers. For what reason were the king's soldiers sent to Khijarli? The king's soldiers were sent to Khijarli to get some wood for the construction of his new palace, right? You will frame the answers by your own students. My previous students know that they used to do it previous year also, but for new students you have to frame the answers, students, and if you face any problem you can contact me anytime for the same. Mother Nature gave freely of herself, and the Bishnoi too preserved her selflessly. Is the statement true? Give reasons. Yes, Mother Nature gives freely of herself. We all know that. You know, I gave you some examples in previous lecture also. The air we breathe, sunlight, trees, each and everything, water, what we get from nature is free. We don't have to pay for air. We don't have to pay for water, right, which we get from natural resources. Now don't try to contrast it with the water bills you pay, but the water which we get from our glaciers is free of cost, right? And the Bishnois too preserved her. Yes, Bishnois too preserved it, because we can see that if we'll go through this paragraph you can find the answer that how Bishnois have preserved the nature, how they have saved the resources, and how they were utilizing it instead of wasting it, right? Bring out an example of corruption from the story. The example of corruption from the story was that, students, when Amrita Devi came to save trees, and soldiers told her that she should give them bribe so that then they will leave the trees. If you'll go through this here in these lines, bribe word is given, you can find the answer, right? So try to frame answer. Did the sacrifice of martyrs go in vain? Pick lines from the story as evidence. Sacrifice means the sacrifice. What was the sacrifice of martyrs? They gave their lives. Martyrs means those who give their life for any cause which is social cause, right? Martyrs is used for our soldiers also. Vain means waste. So did the sacrifice of the martyrs go in vain? No. Why? Because the king banned cutting of trees and killing of animals. If you'll go through these paragraphs, you'll find the answer, right? These 4 questions you will do in your fair notebook, and this cause and consequence you don't need to do in your fair notebook, and this choose the correct options. Now let's discuss the cause and consequences. Cause and consequences means the region of Khijarli had trees in abundance. Why? Because the people were environment friendly and they were preserving it. What was the consequence? There was no consequence of it, but they had good health and fresh air to breathe, and in consequence we can write that's why the soldiers of Khijarli came there, right, to get wood. Now Amrita Devi was ready to sacrifice her life because she was nature lover and she considered trees as her family. Consequence, she was killed by soldiers, right? Now the king banned the cutting of trees and hunting of animals in the region of Khijarli. Cause death of 363 Bishnois, Amrita Devi and her daughter. Consequence, after that people lived happily after, and there was no misuse of natural resources. Now let's see correct options. I hope you will do it by your own, and you should do it by your own because we have read the chapter. So the first question is, the fields were plowed with simple plows because villagers did not want it to harm ecosystem. The soldiers found the village of the Vishnois amazing because they were taking utmost care of environment and land. Amrita Devi refused to soldiers give the money because it was against her principles and religious belief. Now Amrita Devi's daughters were also killed by soldiers, right? We know the story. When the king promised compensation, the villagers asked him to ban cutting of trees and hunting of animals. You don't need to do part 5th and 6th in your fair notebook. Now think and write. These 2 questions you will do in your notebook, and total 6 questions will be there. It only takes a spark to get the fire going. In what way a single person or act can make a positive difference? Now you need to understand the question very carefully, that it only takes a spark to get the fire going. For fire we just need a spark, right? Same way it is saying that a single person make a difference. Yes, a single person make a difference because in the story Amrita Devi was that single person, right? She came forward to save the trees, and after that her daughters and 363 Bishnois all accompanied her, and all together they were killed. But it make a difference. What was the difference? That the cutting of trees and hunting of animals was banned in Khijarli village, right? Abhay Singh, the king of Jodhpur, banned it. Now the soldiers were awestruck when they saw the village of the Bishnois, yet they were not ready to destruct. In what way? Destruct the peaceful and healthy environment. In what way would they not only damage the environment but the faith of people and trust? Yes. How they did it? Because the people of village were nature lovers. They used to see good in each and everything. They never used to even hurt or harm their animals, right? So they were very they were preserving the nature selflessly, but soldiers were afraid that they will lose their job, so they had to kill them, right? And when they did it, they did not even damage the environment, but they killed people also. They could have handled the situation better, in a better way. They could have gone to the king, they would have narrated the whole story and all, but they broke the faith and trust of the people of Kijarli, because they, instead of appreciating their efforts to preserve nature, they killed them, right? So the question answers and word meanings you have to do in your fair notebook, and maintain your notebook carefully. You can write words and questions with black pen. Answers and meanings will be written by blue pen. If you have any doubt, you can contact me anytime for the doubt, students. If you are having any problem in framing any answer or how to maintain it, but do your work in a neat handwriting, because your notebook is your reflection, right? So do it well, maintain your notebook carefully, do this chapter in your fair notebook, right? And once you are done with it, send me the screenshot. So thank you, take care.